So to discuss this first slide here, I've gone ahead and opened up the next generation science standards from the authoritative standards bodies for science for kindergarten through 12th grade, and I've also taken this same standards from here and put an image in here. Under disciplinary and core ideas, this is the structure and function. All living things are made up of cells. Bullet 2 is that within cells, special structures are responsible for functions. And in multicellular organisms, the body is a system of multiple interacting systems. So you can see that same up here, right? All living things are made up of cells, and here we got multicellular organisms. The body is a system of multiple interacting systems. So this is directly from the next generation science standards. And what we do is we take these and we create these fractal structures out of it. And if you look really close down here, let me zoom in. This is the result. What are cells is based on this first bullet. Parts of a cell are based on this second bullet here, and then cells working together are based on this third bullet here. And cells, the building blocks of life, that is a summary of these three lessons, and that's basically the fractal structure, fractal curriculum. Maybe we can see the whole thing here, yeah. In order to go from the standards to the structure, then this is an intermediate step. Here is the same standard. All living things are made up of cells. You see, so that's the same as bullet 1. And we create 1, 2, 3 supporting details. So that would be what are cells. That is this node right here, and also this lesson. Main point 1 is cell theory. Main point 2 is types of cells, and main point 3 is cell structure. Parts of a cell is lesson 2, that's this lesson, and it's also this lesson. You can see the metadata that exists behind these nodes. Each node has mouse over metadata that pops up. And then, of course, the third one, cells working together, which is based on the third standard here. And that's going to be the C node right here. The summary here, which is an introduction of lesson 1, is also this column. The summary of lesson 2 is actually this column in the summary lesson, and the summary of lesson 3 is actually this column in the summary lesson. So you're beginning to see the structure here. The summary of S1 is also the summary of this column. The summary of S2 is the summary of this column, and the summary of S3 is also the summary of this column. So there is a definite structure here. It lends itself to fast computation. It lends itself to AI generation. It lends itself to computational traversal and consumption. This is really a secret to using AI, is that you need really solid structures, multidimensional structures underneath the AI, and then it performs in a much more powerful way.